chop, lamb chop. Everything's tight. And turn. Look straight ahead. Look straight ahead. Good girl. Look up. You good, nice and tight. Good girl. And turn. Look straight ahead. Good girl. Grip those knees. Good girl. What the hell was that? Seriously, what was... Look straight ahead. Good girl. Grip those knees. Good girl. What the hell was that? Seriously, what was...
Do you take Fancy out?
My feet are wet. Did you hear that? It's getting louder. Yeah, let's go. I want to go walking though. It sounds like it's near. Right, Gina? Okay. Dude, it's getting louder. I don't know if it's train tracks or whatever, but I don't know. But I know it's coming from like towards over there. Oh my gosh, it's getting louder. I'm getting scared again. Yeah, it's really creeping me out. Oh my gosh. What, we're going? Do you think it's trained?
Not trying, but the machine's working.
Hmm.
Get in there.
You sure? Just let me get my shoes. Oh, you heard that?
Alright, so it's December 2nd. It's 1:02 in the morning. I've woken up again for probably the third night in a row by this really weird but loud sound. Don't have any idea what it is. We live right by railroad tracks, but you'd be able to tell if there was a train because they're probably about 50 or 60 feet away from us behind our house. And this sounds nothing like a train track. I have no clue what it is.